how to make money on Freelancer as a web developer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills. In order to showcase your skills to the business owners that visit the platform or the individuals that come to the platform in order to hire someone or a freelancer with certain skills to do a job for them or a project. So for example, if I was a business owner looking for a web developer, I would just go to hire freelancers in here and go for hire by skill, graphic designers, web developers, and here you'll be able to hire the web developer you'd like to work with: PHP, HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, Ruby, Node, Angular, React. Let's go with PHP web developers, for example. And here you'll be able to see all of the top PHP developers now. And here, these are the profiles of the PHP developers. We can see more PHP developers, and you'll be able to see all of their profiles, check their descriptions, check their reviews, and then you'll be able to hire the one that you like. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your profile as well like those people to showcase your skills to the visitors of the platform, and why not, you might get hired by the business owners or the individuals that are looking for freelancers with the same skill like yours. So here, let's go back to the main page to show you how you can create your own profile. So here, let's go back, click on Freelancer and click on Earn Money Freelancing. And here you fill the usual information: your first name, last name, email, and password. Then you click on Join Freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to log in. And after you've logged in, this is your dashboard, and here you can see your projects, your inbox, feedback, free credit. You can see as well your task lists. So just check the task lists in here. So here you can create your first task to check whenever you come in here, to not forget the tasks that you have. Let's go to the dashboard, and here in this button, the profile button, you can check your profile. And this is how our profile looks like. So I didn't finish filling it, didn't finish putting all of the information about me. So make sure, guys, to not do like me. Finish all the information, verify your identity, verify your payment methods, your phone number, email, and connect your Facebook account to look like a legit person, not to look like a scammer, something like that. Also, make sure to add your experience, your education, qualifications, publications, and all of those stuff. And after that, you can also promote your profile if you want. So here, use this link to bring your clients onto freelancer.com. If you have a Facebook page where you have some clients or something like that, you can share this link to make them come to the platform. You can also create your email signature, and you can update your profile picture, profile photo. As you can see, the photo format, you can choose the format you want. Also, you can change the title, font, and the mobile, your address, and also you can select a signature. If your email clients doesn't support HTML signatures, you can use a simple text link instead. For email clients that require your signature in HTML code, copy and paste the code below as your email signature. So here you can bring your clients to Freelancer and pay 0%. And here I'm going to show you how you can get clients from the platform without even waiting for them to come to you. You can go to them by going to the browse. In here you will find the projects section. Explore exciting new project opportunities now, and here you will be able to see all of the posted projects in the platform, and you'll be able also to choose the one that you like. So here we have the SEO content writer with a decent experience in terminology of SEO concepts, or you can even change or search for projects. So let's search for web developing projects. Web development. And click on search. Let's remove this copywriting and let's go with web developer, and let's click on search. Click on search and you'll be able to see all of the web development projects. So this one is Scrappy PI Proxies project. I'm in need of a skilled developer who can create a Scrappy PY script to scrape data from specific websites. The project involves scraping both text content and images from the targeted websites, and this is the price, $148, approximately $148, 136 euros. And if you just put your mouse or your cursor on the price, you'll see the price in dollars, and it's posted 12 hours ago, and 30 people has applied for this job, but it seems like no one has been accepted yet. Another one, automate the web application using Selenium, Java, Cucumber testing, and 18 bids 6 hours ago. The price is $115. I don't know this currency, but as I said before, by putting your cursor on it, you'll see the price in dollars. Work on our emulators. Project title: Game Console Emulator Development for Performance Enhancement Skills and Experience Needed. Strong knowledge and experience in game console emulation. Proficiency in programming language C++. And it's for $29 per hour. And he has 10 bids so far, and he posted it 9 minutes ago. So as you can see, there are people in this platform just waiting for someone to post jobs. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.